Aloha all, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today in creating a card using Stampin' Up's photopolymer stamp set, Beautiful Butterflies. And the Beautiful Butterflies dies. Using the Perennial Lavender Designer Series paper, which is on the last chance list right now at 162593. Beautiful pieces of paper. Love it, love it. I only have a few more sheets left, and that's about it. This here designer series paper is cut at 1.5 by 4.5. This piece here is cut at 2.25 by 3.25. This crumb cake piece is cut 1 inch by 3.5 inches. This is a scrap for our stamping and punching. This is basic white, 4 by 5.25. Gorgeous grape. This is for die cutting. This gorgeous grape piece is cut 3.25 by 4.5. And this Highland Heather piece, die cutting. And the base of the card is in Highland Heather in 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4.25. And then we'll go ahead and burnish our fold. Yes, I think we hear Aiko barking in every video nowadays, huh? You hear him out there? He's barking at someone. There we go. Let's go ahead and get to our stamping. So we will be stamping butterfly on here. Just like that. Was I in camera there? I'm not sure. This is slanted. Maybe the butterfly is flying. And then this, we're gonna stamp Time to Celebrate. Trying to get it straight on there. Looks good, looks good. I'm using the words time to get the straight. This one looks a little crooked. Try again, 2 sides to each piece of paper. I think that's better, better, a little high, but better. And on here, I actually wanted to put happy birthday. I'll do it right in the middle. I was gonna go up, down, side, but let's just do it in the middle. Just like that. And I believe that's it for our stamping. That was Gorgeous Grape. I'll go ahead and get our mini stamp and cut emboss machine. So we'll need plate 1, plate 2, loved, very loved, and then we'll go ahead and put that with this, and then Gorgeous Grape. Am I in screen there? Just like this. saw the body move a little. I think it's fine. Perfect. Doing that again. Body. This. Wings. Stamped butterfly. Beautiful, beautiful. Looks good. Roll it through. Taking out all the little pieces in the wings, dropping it. It came out. Hi there, Aiko. Okay, we're going to put them together. We're gonna just layer them all on each other. So like this. Putting it right there towards the beginning of the head. Not much glue. Was I even in camera? Okay, put that aside to dry for a little. And let's put our card together. This can go on the inside. And this will layer onto here. I am watching the orientation or the way the print is, and I feel like that's up. Giving about a 1/4 inch here on the side. This one too. I'm using my finger to stop it from exceeding the gorgeous grape layer, being flush. And then this one here. Does not really need an orientation. That's pretty, yeah, that side. Just like that. And these will glue right on the front of the card. Center best as you can. Oh, glue was coming out over there on the side. This will put some Stampin' Dimensionals. Got some here. Take off the backing. I'm putting it right on the front. Ooh, don't put it upside down. A little bit comes off here, off the gorgeous grape. Same for that side. Trying to get it as straight as I can. This one too. Don't put it upside down. Just like that. Oh, these need dimensionals also. Two's good, yeah? Plenty. Tilt it a little. This one too. Okay, let's grab some rhinestones. I gotta get a take your pick tool. Here's a take your pick tool. I would want a rhinestone on his head. This one too. Just like that. Just like that. And there you have it, guys. What do you think? Thanks again for joining me today. To order Stampin' Up products, please visit my website. The address is linked in the description of this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Come back again soon. Bye.